How to add opening hours to Wix. So in order to add an opening hours to Wix, what you can do is you can head over to your Wix Studio dashboard, click onto the search bar and search in here for opening hours. From in there, you should be able to see in here this default hours, so make sure to click on that. Now from in there, it will be actually prompt you to the booking settings right there. You can see in here days from Sunday until Saturday as well as working hours. So you can just tick the days that you will be working and untick the days that you will not be working. You can also choose in here the time that you're actually open. For example, right here, let's choose 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. You can also click onto this plus icon in order to add other hours for this part. Now you can change it depending on the day that you want, and you can also set up your work schedule as well as staff working hours. Once you're done, click onto the save part and you should be done. So that's how you add opening hours to Wix. Hope we helped.